Have you ever wondered about the richness of the English language and the myriad of words that we seldom use? Today, we delve into the intriguing world of words, unearthing some that might sound foreign yet could add a dash of sophistication to your vocabulary. Get ready to venture into a journey of linguistic exploration. First up is decorum. This noun signifies propriety and good taste in conduct or appearance. Synonyms include etiquette, dignity, and civility, while its antonyms are impropriety and indecency. Picture this. Despite the heated debate, the participants maintain their decorum. Next, we have deference. A noun, it indicates humble submission and respect. Its synonyms are reverence and respect, while its antonyms are disregard and disrespect. For instance, she showed deference to her mentor by listening attentively. Moving on to delineate. This verb implies describing or portraying something precisely. Its synonyms include depict and outline, while its antonyms are distort and confuse. Consider this example. The artist took time to delineate the landscape in his painting. Demotic, an adjective, refers to popular or common. Synonyms are vernacular and colloquial, while its antonyms are formal and literary. Here's a sentence. He spoke in Demotic language, instantly connecting with the locals. Demur, a verb, means to show reluctance or doubt. Its synonyms are hesitate and balk, while its antonyms are agree and accept. Picture this. He did not demur when asked to lead the project. Denigrate, a verb, denotes criticism or defaming someone unfairly. Synonyms include belittle and slander, while its antonyms are praise and commend. For example, she refused to denigrate her competitors, focusing instead on her own achievements. Denouement, a noun, refers to the final part of a play, movie, or narrative in which the strands of the plot are drawn together and matters are explained or resolved. Synonyms are conclusion and resolution, while its antonyms are beginning and commencement. Here's a sentence. The denouement of the novel left readers in awe. The list goes on, from derivative to dogmatic, each word with its unique meaning, synonyms, and antonyms, each adding a touch of elegance to our everyday language. As we conclude this linguistic journey, it's important to remember that language is a living entity, constantly evolving and growing. Each word we learn today, from decorum to dogmatic, has its own history, its own story to tell. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every word is a new world waiting to be discovered. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your vocabulary growing.